हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एनपी शॉर्ट हैंड डिक्टेशन। फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपको लीगल मैटर प्रोवाइड करने जा रही हूँ जो कि होगा 600 और स्पीड होगी 120। सो बी रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन। Heard, learned counsel for the parties. Stop. It appears that vide an interim order dated 12/1/2001, the High Court granted ad interim injunction and a division bench of the Bombay High Court refused to interfere. Stop. Next paragraph. A brief reference to the factual aspect would suffice. Colon. Next paragraph. The respondent filed a suit claiming that she is a film actress of good standing. Stop. Certain articles were published in the magazine published by the appellants called Stardust. Stop. A suit for damages of rupees 20 crores alleging that the articles are defamatory in nature and would affect her career for injunction restraining the appellants from publishing defamatory articles was filed. Notice of motion for interim injunction was taken out. Stop. Learned single judge was of the prima facie view that the articles deal with the personal life and are defamatory in nature and granted interim injunction. Stop. The interim injunction reads as follows: next paragraph. Therefore, as directed in the case of Indian Express newspapers within bracket Supra, a modified injunction is hereby granted restraining the defendants from republishing the three articles and or from writing and publishing any defamatory article in the nature of the three articles alleging that the plaintiff is having relationship with other actors or a married man, which will operate till the disposal of the suit. Stop. Next paragraph. The said order dated 12/1/2001 as noted above was challenged in appeal. Stop. Before the division bench, the stand was that the interim injunction granted was beyond the prayer made in the notice of motion. Stop. The High Court noted that in notice of motion, the prayer was in the following terms: Next paragraph. The pending the hearing and final disposal of the suit, this honorable court be pleased to issue an order and injunction restraining the defendants from in any way or manner carrying out defamatory allegations and imputations in future against the plaintiffs. Stop. Next paragraph. The division bench was of the further view that the learned single judge had not granted interim protection beyond what was prayed and was covered by the prayer. Stop. Next paragraph. The other stand before the division bench was that moment jurisdiction is pleaded there can be no interim protection. Stop. The plea was also rejected, standing that a person cannot be defamed by allowing such publications in future. Stop. Justification shall be required to be established at the time of hearing of the suit by leading evidence. Stop. Next paragraph. There were certain other stands relating to lack of pleadings about the reputation and character. Stop. The division bench found that also to be without substance. Stop. The appeal was accordingly dismissed. Stop. Next paragraph. Learned counsel for the appellant reiterated the stand taken before the division bench. Mr. Bhattacharya, learned counsel for the respondent, supported the order. Stop. Next paragraph. We find that the matter relates to an interim order and while granting leave, the prayer for grant of interim relief was refused. In other words, interim order passed by learned single judge as upheld by the division bench continues to be operative. Stop. Therefore, without expressing any opinion On the merits of the case, we think it proper to dispose of the appeal without interference. Stop. We therefore request the High Court to explore the possibility of early disposal of the suit number 36/2001. Stop. Next paragraph. The appeal is disposed of accordingly. Stop. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये टोटल 600 वर्ड्स थे। आई होप आप लोगों को ये मैटर बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा लिखने में, बिकॉज इसमें कोई बहुत ज़्यादा टफ़ वर्ड्स नहीं आए हैं। मैंने देखा है पूरा जजमेंट और लिखा भी है, सो मुझे इसमें कोई टफ़ वर्ड नहीं दिखे हैं। और फिर भी मैंने जजमेंट के लास्ट में आपको हार्ड वर्ड्स की आउटलाइन भी दे रखी है। अगर आपको कोई डिफ़िकल्टी फाउंड होती है तो आप उसको दूर कर सकते हैं।